old people. While we're waiting for them to walk, let's do some plant stuff. That is sour grass. I don't know, but that kind of, it's not cotton, but it has a cottony part. I didn't say no all these plants. Okay, it's not even my fucking country. Back off. Let's just do something. This looks like it's somehow related to cattail. It may or may not be, but it looks like it, huh? Waiting for these old people. This is a type of clover. This looks like a mustard flower. Like some sort of maybe blackberry or something down there. Anyway, I know it didn't feel very good. These are the plants around, and let's kill some plants. Daisies! Those are cattails over there. See, they do look related.